We always work really hard. We always do creative and energizing things. But this was a year when a lot of the hard work actually got recognition. I finished up a book. I got it done in no small part thanks to the efforts of some key student workers who really helped not only with the book itself, but with handling other professional matters for me so that I would have time to work on the book.
It's pretty cool to kind of help make something like this happen, to help put this research out into the world. I know Professor Simmons has worked very hard on this book for a long time, and so it's an honor to be able to say that I helped even the tiniest bit.
Classics Day was just so challenging because this was in the middle of a pandemic. We didn't know if anybody was going to show up for it.
We had a really good group that were excited. Everybody took on a lot of responsibility off Professor Simmons, and it came down to the students to make the event what it was.
It was really cool to see how many costumes we had, what the work people have put in, and I got to fix up some of them, and it was really cool.
We found out it was gonna rain, and the day before we moved into the Huff Center, and it was stressful trying to figure out how to move all the tables.
But that ended up being awesome. The turnout that we got was great. But it was like all of this stuff happened in fairly rapid succession. First, there was an award from the Classical Association of the Middle, West, and South for outstanding outreach activity from that organization. And then at the Honors Convocation, Olivia Matlock won Senior Woman of the Year, Megan Daly won Freshman Woman of the Year, and then shortly thereafter, the National Undergrad Honor Society, Eta Sigma Phi, gave us an award for outstanding service and outreach for Classics Day and our Citers with Classics, and for all the speakers and other performers that we brought in. Megan Daly got an Emerging Leader Award, and then I got an Advisor Excellence Award. And so it was just all these things that lots of us do that are much the same every year. It's just conscientiousness and energy. This did not come out of nowhere. I mean, these are people who have been really vital parts of not just the classics department, but the whole campus.